This is something that you can do if you have no money. I'm not going to say if you have no money, because you are going to need a little bit of money to invest. But this is something that I see a lot of women make money off of. Okay, you are a single mom. What do single moms do? What are single moms good at? We're good at cooking. We're good at cleaning. So what you can do two things. You can either clean houses. So how do you do that? You can post on Facebook, hey, I'm cleaning houses, how much ever you want to price each room at, or how much ever you want to price your services at. You just start posting. Or if you know people, you could just start calling your family member and friends. That's how I would do it, is call your family member and friends and just start letting them know, like, hey, I can clean houses. This is how much I'll charge you for. In the beginning, you could just maybe give them a discount so that they can, try you out, see how your services are. And then if they like your services, they will, believe me, if they like your services, they will keep coming back to you. And not only that, they will refer other people to you. Okay, let's say you don't want to talk to your family member or friends about it. You could even talk to anybody, just anybody. Like, if you see somebody at your job and they may, you may know that they're overwhelmed, and they may talk about being overwhelmed. You say, hey, I just started a cleaning business. If you need help, just let me know. I think the best way to go about it, just the way you can at least get one person, is by posting it either on social media, Facebook, Instagram, or Craigslist is good. I know, like, there are some scams, and you definitely want to be careful with using Craigslist, but you can definitely post on Craigslist. That's how I would do it, is posting on Craigslist, OfferUp, like on those type of websites where you can get eyes on what you're doing and get people that way. The second thing I mentioned was selling plates. That is something that I feel like, yes, it does take an initial investment in buying the ingredients that you need for your meals. But if you price it, if you do it correctly and you budget correctly, you can buy, something, and you can make it multiply and then sell those plates. That's something that I see a lot. Like, I see that a lot. I see a lot of women that will, they'll make a plate, they'll make dinner, they'll post a plate and they'll sell it, and they'll post, okay, $15 for this. And it's like a meal, and people will buy. People will buy. I promise you, they will buy. And if you do a good job, if you cook good, if your house is nice and clean, your area is clean, and people start to trust you, they like your stuff, believe me, when it comes to food, they will come back every single time if you continue to do a good job. I didn't say that in addition at first, but I'm going to add that in. Treats. So let's say if you sell treats, cake pops, fruit trays, charcuterie boards, like anything. As a single mom, we are very, very, very resourceful and very creative. So we can make a way out of no way. So get an idea. If you even got to ask people, like, what do they want to see? You can even look on social media and just kind of gauge by people's posts that you see, what do people want, what do people need, and make a product just like that. When it's the holidays, that's the perfect time. You could sell flowers, Easter baskets, you can sell plates, you could sell invitations, anything. You could do stuff like that. Those are things you can do. Yes, it takes an initial investment, but once you do it one time and you do a good job, it's going to multiply. It's going to continue to multiply. You're going to build a little brand for yourself, and you will be able to make more money.